You want to get some? You want to get some random and give it to Logan? They're not going to get it because he'll lose it.
Yeah.
So give them random and you give it to him and he can have it.
What's that? Why is the camera still on?
Because I'm making a video.
Okay. Well, give them random then. Give them random though.
There goes a whole
And Logan gets it to his girlfriend.
Yeah.
One of them rocks you paint and trail. I forgot what they call them rocks.
I
name for it.
I made one and hit it at where did I hit it at? Belts. I mean no pennies.
Inside the store?
No, outside. The flower bed.
Oh, okay.
I got to see if it's gone. It's been there. How long has it been there? A year.
You see a train?
He's gonna. No, he hears it.
Yeah. You ready? You hear it? Logan. Boy, he ain't got no patience.
He never has patience.
Yeah.
No patience. You don't have no patience.